We're gonna start this off with the tummy twist because our tummy is in knots because the person we like is a big red flag, which just happens to be our type. Let's start it to the front. Go double, double, single, single, out, take it up, double. We are forever single, single, speed this up. Twist, twist.
It's dangerous and unforgettable.
Two more.
Emotions that are overflowing.
Yes, alley girl. Flag them down.
Crazy in you, and I think I need it. The broken in me sees the broken in you. I just gotta feel it.
Do it fast now. Take it low.
Tell me something I don't know.
One more set.
All the night skies left me dead inside. I like chaos dripping head to toe.
I can change them arms.
I can admit that I love her.
Wait.
Something's so wrong 'cause it's so right every time. Tell me something I don't know.
Back to the tummy
There's
twist.
nothing I don't wanna know.
Wow.
Who are
We
you
all hit that.
when you're all alone?
Fast.
I like my
No,
men,
not now.
I like my horses. I like 'em wild, out of control, yes.
Here we go.
God, I love a hopeless bastard. I'm at my best in a disaster. Can you make my heart beat faster?
Last one.
I just gotta feel it.
Flag them down.
But I like the bizarre type.
Take it low.
Tell me something I don't know.
My arms are on fire.
All the night skies left me dead inside. I like chaos dripping head to toe.
I can change them arms.
I can admit that I love her.
Wait.
Something's so wrong 'cause it's so right every time. Tell me something I don't know.
Rainbow flag. Some people see a red flag. You see potential. Step.
I see a red flag walking by, it really does it for me. He doesn't know me, but he told me that he really
Take it
loves
back.
me. We're getting married and we're
I
buying
think
a
this
boat,
one's
some Bali.
different.
This is a red flag, this is a red
Speed it
flag.
up.
I'm trying to level, but the devil's telling me we're perfect. You say you don't
Look at that
believe in
seafoam
miracles,
shirt.
but I can turn you. Can't see this ending, but I certainly can't see this working. This is a red flag, this is a red
Practice.
flag.
This is the last time you get a practice flagging them down. So I want you to wave these flags like you are air traffic control. Wham!